Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to edit photos in Google Photo. So to do this procedure, what you can do is you can just go ahead and open up your Google Photos app. When you open it up, now you could go ahead and open up any of these photo that you wish to edit and press the edit button. Look here right at the bottom. Over here you could go ahead and see all of the filters and options available. What you can do, so you could go ahead and crop, you could also find the tools, adjust, filters, all of that. You could go ahead and explore these features, which will be located right over here. You could also go ahead and draw whatever you want. You could also go ahead and highlight it if you want to do it so, and you could also apply text or type in the text, and when you've actually done that, you could go ahead and save it. Now you could do the same procedure for the rest of the other photos. Likewise, you could go ahead and explore all of the options at the bottom, and basically that's how you can edit photo in Google Photos app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.